Want to supercharge your brain? Just skip a meal? Surprised? Fasting, usually linked to spiritual and physical cleansing, hides an astounding secret. It significantly influences how our brain functions. This video will swiftly delve into the science of fasting and its striking benefits for the brain. Discover the top 10 ways fasting boosts your brain, from enhanced function and plasticity to neuroprotection and even longevity. Get for a deep dive into the mind-enhancing realm of fasting. First, let's talk about how fasting can turbocharge your cognitive abilities. Imagine your brain operating at a higher gear, with sharper memory, increased concentration, and crystal-clear mental clarity. This isn't science fiction, it's what some studies suggest fasting can do. The secret? A protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein aids in the growth and maintenance of nerve cells, turning your brain into a well-oiled cognitive machine. So, by fasting, you're essentially giving your brain a performance upgrade. Imagine if your brain could rewire itself to learn better. Fasting makes that possible. By going without food for a period, our brains are prompted to kick into gear, a phenomenon called synaptic plasticity. This is essentially the brain's ability to adapt and restructure itself, leading to improved learning and the formation of new neural connections. It's like giving your brain a renovation, creating new pathways for information to travel, making it more efficient and adaptable. With fasting, your brain becomes a lean, mean learning machine. Fasting also turns your brain into a fortress, protecting it from harm. This defense mechanism is due to the neuroprotective effects of fasting that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. These reductions are like a shield, protecting your neurons from damage and helping to slow cognitive decline. So, when you're fasting, you're not just nourishing your brain with enhanced cognitive function and synaptic plasticity, you're also fortifying its defenses against damage. By fasting, you're not just feeding your brain, you're defending it. Ever wish your brain had its own cleanup crew? Fasting can provide just that. It stimulates autophagy, a process that sweeps away damaged cellular components. Think proteins linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Bye-bye clutter. Think of fasting as your brain's spring cleaning service. Fasting can also be your personal mood elevator. It's fascinating how our bodies react when we fast. Some people experience an uplifted mood and less stress. This could be due to endorphins being released and other neurochemical changes. Fasting might just be the mood boost you've been looking for. What if we told you fasting could also help fight diabetes and obesity? By increasing insulin sensitivity, fasting improves metabolic health. This indirectly benefits brain health since diabetes and obesity are risk factors for cognitive decline. Fasting is a 1-2 punch for your health, fighting both metabolic issues and cognitive decline. Lastly, fasting might also be your ticket to a longer, healthier life. Animal studies hint that intermittent fasting and calorie restriction could increase lifespan. Imagine the implications for human brain health. Fasting could be the fountain of youth your brain's been thirsting for. Before you jump into fasting, though, here are some words of caution. It's crucial to understand that fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Individual responses can vary, and it may not be suitable for everyone. Consulting with a healthcare professional before you start any fasting regimen can be a smart move, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. And don't forget the importance of a nutritious diet. Remember, fasting is a tool for health, not a magic bullet. Use it wisely. So, there you have it. 10 ways fasting can supercharge your brain. From boosting cognitive function, enhancing plasticity, protecting neurons, to stimulating autophagy, fasting has many potential benefits. It could even boost your mood, improve metabolic health, and possibly contribute to longevity. But remember, these benefits can vary among individuals, and it's important to approach fasting with caution. If you want to keep learning about health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more fascinating insights to share. Until next time, stay healthy and keep fasting.